Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. So I have a very short video for you guys. Today I am going to show you how I achieve my high puff. Nice, big, super cute. This is so great when you really want your hair out of your face and you have just an old wash and go and you're not ready to wash your hair yet. So make sure that you guys stick around and tell me what you think. So I'm starting by spraying my hair down with some water. And then I'm just taking my hands and just smoothing it in. I will be taking my brush and just brushing my hair down and creating that smooth, slick effect. Now, I'm just taking a regular hair tie that you can find at Walmart, your local beauty supply. It's a little bit larger in size, but you can find it anywhere. And as you guys can see, I'm bringing it down as far down my head as I can. And once I have reached where I want it to be, all I'm doing now is using my fingertips to bring it up and just create the place and location to where I want my high puff to just sit. So at this point, you can use a pick to just create more volume and fluff out your puff. Now I'm just taking my toothbrush and using my leave-in conditioner to lay down my baby hairs. You can use gel, you can use your favorite edge control, but this is just the product that I decided to use. I say it really depends how long you want your high puff to last. If your wash day will be the next day, then I say you really don't have to worry about it. But if you really want a slick down look, and if you'll be out all day, then you can definitely use something that will lay your hair all the way down. With that said, you can also use gel, and after creating your high puff, you can even lay your hair down with a scarf or a headband just to give it that sleek look. Again, it all depends on how long you want your puff to last. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.